Hello, and welcome to this Instant Terra tutorial. This is the final result of the workflow we're going to show, rendered in Unreal Engine 4. In this tutorial, we will cover a basic workflow of importing and exporting terrain and mass to create a terrain like this. Let's get started and see how it's done. The graph composes the entire terrain, but we'll focus only on the export group. Here's the terrain rendered in Instant Terra. Before exporting it, we need to modify the terrain resolution. The current resolution is 4096, so we change it to 4033. We can choose from several formats. RAW is ideal for a terrain. Save and export the height map. Let's go back to Unreal Engine. We'll import our height map to generate the terrain. Go to the Landscape tool and select Manage, then New Landscape. Check Import from File to import a custom height map. Choose the terrain's height map. If necessary, modify the terrain scale here. We see that the new terrain resolution set in Instant Terra has been updated in Unreal Engine. Select the material to use for the entire terrain. Now, import the terrain. We're going to create a basic material for the terrain. Right-click and select Material. We're using the textures from the starter content, but we could use any texture. Now, right-click and search the Landscape Layer Blend node. Add two layers, one for rock and the other for grass. Now you can name them. Connect them. Now, add a grayscale value for the roughness. Add a texture coordinate node to tweak the texture's tiling. Connect them. Now, choose a tile value. Okay, now let's go back to Instant Terra. We'll now export additional masks to add details to the terrain. Export one mask for the rock layer and another for the grass layer. Okay, now import these maps into Unreal Engine. Now, go to the Paint Tool panel. Save both layer blends as weight blended layers. Now, import our mask by right-clicking on the grass layer. Voila! Here is the final terrain, which you can see is quite big. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon for more Instant Terra tutorials.